Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk about all things diet and fitness. Now, I know what you're thinking. Diet and fitness? Funny? How is that possible? Well, let me tell you. Diet and fitness can be pretty stressful, especially when you're trying to lose weight. But that doesn't mean it can't be fun too. Today, we're going to talk about stress and its effect on diet. We'll also give you some tips on how to deal with stress and stay on track with your diet. Stress can cause people to eat unhealthy foods, be reluctant to exercise, and disrupt the body's metabolism. Increased appetite. When stressed, the body releases the hormone cortisol. This hormone can increase appetite and the desire to eat foods high in sugar and fat. These foods can provide a comfortable and calming sensation, so they can help reduce stress. Reduced self-control. Stress can reduce a person's self-control over their behavior, including eating behavior. This makes it easier for someone to consume unhealthy foods, even if they know that these foods are not good for their health. Causes binge eating. Binge eating is an eating disorder characterized by excessive eating over a short period of time. Stress can be a trigger for binge eating, disrupts the body's metabolism. Metabolism is the body's process of converting food into energy. When stressed, the body's metabolism will slow down, so the body will burn fewer calories. This can make losing weight more difficult. Tips for dealing with stress. Manage stress well. According to research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, in 2017, people who have good stress management skills are more likely to be successful in losing weight. Another study published in the journal Obesity in 2015 found that cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can help people manage stress and lose weight. Some tips for managing stress include exercise regularly, get enough sleep, practice relaxation techniques, for example, yoga, meditation, deep breathing, spend time with loved ones, do activities that you enjoy, eat healthy foods. A study published in the journal Nutrition Research in 2016 found that people who eat healthy foods are more likely to successfully lose weight. Another study published in the journal Appetite in 2017 found that people who ate foods high in fiber were less likely to experience stress. Some tips for eating healthy foods include eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Eat regular meals and snacks throughout the day. Get enough sleep. According to research published in the journal, Sleep in 2015, people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to eat unhealthy foods and experience stress. Another study published in the journal Appetite in 2017 found that people who get enough sleep are less likely to experience stress. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night. Exercise regularly. A study published in the journal Obesity in 2015 found that exercise can help reduce stress and increase the body's metabolism. Another study published in the journal Appetite in 2017 found that exercise can help reduce appetite and improve self-control. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Additional tips. Make a realistic diet plan. A diet plan that is too strict can make you stressed and ultimately give up. Make a diet plan that is realistic and that you can follow in the long term. Don't be too hard on yourself. If you occasionally eat unhealthy foods, don't be too hard on yourself. Continue your diet and don't give up. Seek support. Seeking support from others can help you deal with stress and stay motivated to stick to your diet. Talk to a friend, family member, therapist, or dietitian for support. Stress can be one of the factors that makes a diet fail. Therefore, it is important to manage stress well so that your diet can run smoothly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other helpful videos.